Good morning guys, I'm Adam from 5 Point and I'm really excited to be here today and introduce you to our new project in the heart of Palm Beach, Elevaire. We recently took this project over at level 5 and today we're pouring level 9. It's been a great testament to the team. Come on guys, let's have a look. We've had really exciting progress since we commenced in May. We've sheeted levels 1 to 3. We've got tiling happening on level 1 and we have joinery all measured up to level 3. We're really expecting these units to come to life in the next month or so.